So this is my door. Look here, I leave enough gap on the top and a wide space on each side. So now it's too wide. What I do, okay, to fill the gap. Do you see that? Fill the gap here. Fill the gap with extra board. So then I can do match on each side here. So basically it's too wide, right? Okay, what I can do is fill the gap on each side, right? So okay, what you can do is, okay, mark it. Where is the hinge on each side? So first thing, okay, we add wood on the gap. I put a long piece. Basically, I don't need it so long. Just need to somewhere along the 3 hinges. You know, 1 hinge, 2 hinge, and 3 hinge on the bottom. So here in the bottom. But you need to use a tape to mark it first. Where the 3 hinge. 1, 2, 3. So we are going to move the door. So here's the door we put to the bottom fit very well. Now we found the gap is still too much on the top, on the hinge top side. So we need to put a little more. Is there, man? We need to put a little more to fill the gap. So then we can fasten it. So this is door 1, right? So we finish the gap first. I add 2 layers. So first, always the hinge side, top corner, right? You make sure it's very tight. So okay, for the middle one, we put a 2.5 inch screw inside first. Then use a lever to make sure it's in the middle, right? So you can start in the middle one. So also same thing with use shims. With shims from each side. Shims from each side, and then also the screw from middle attached to the beam as a stop here. Or jack stand there. Same thing with the bottom, right? Then we also finish on the other side. So also we can also, for security, we also put some in the middle of the beam to fasten it. So next step is cut the shim. So use a utility knife, cut it, then bend it. Or you can use a kind of saw, right, to cut it. So cut it on this left and the left. So cut it, then you peel it. That's it. Still here on the back side. You cut it. You cut it. Push it. That's it. So this is door 2. We finish door 2 now. This side we almost aligned now. This side we leave lots of space, but I should make sure it's tapered very well. Right? Okay. So we're going to finish top at the end. Okay? So you check it. Leave the door basket on it. Then tight. I mean, look at the top and bottom. Maybe not so even, but it's good enough. See? And here any. So this is the finished installation of Prehung doors. So what do we need to do like this one? First of all, in the middle, right? So measure the height, for the joints here and here and on top, right? So then take off the middle screw. We are going to use a 2.5 just the joist. So after you take out the 3 screws, right? You just here. Okay. The most easy way is you can use a Prehung kit. So basically, if you look at the back of the door, right? So there's a bracket. So there's a bracket on each side. You can put 3 on the left, 3 on the right. So I put here as attached to the wall, so, right? And also maybe on top. But I want to just save some cash, save some money, and we have some people to help. So what are we going to do is, okay, so after you take off the 3 screws, right? Okay, what do you do? Start from the top first. Top here, you put some shims inside, right? Shims inside, then just fasten here. But also for this white, right, I also put another screw in the middle. You can put one here too. Then to cover it, you can see the screw. Since a white door, you can put a silver, but I put a gold. It doesn't matter. It's just fixment. So fix here first. Now you can put on here. Then also put the joints, also shims, and attach fast here, right? Then also here, bottom. But meanwhile, when you fit the screws, right, I put a 1 2x4 here on top to make sure the frame doesn't, come out of the wall. So make sure it's even. So you fix on top. Then in the middle, right? Then on the top, on the bottom. I have it on the bottom here. I have my mount to hold it. So that's good too. So after you finish the joints side, you work on the other side. So the other side, same thing too, right? Put a screw on the top first. Some people put it on the side. When you close the door, on the door side, you can see it. So that's the way, okay, you can do it. First, you close the door first. Close the door. And make sure there's a gap. Then you can, that's it, right? So when you build the door, you kind of use bracket. So you basically leave there, right? So you put the shims on the top. I put shim top, and the shims in the middle, and the bottom, right? Then, okay, you just fasten it. So you fasten it on top, and middle, and the on the bottom, right? Same thing. You repeat everything for 3 doors. So repeat the same thing for 3 doors, right? So for me, I put too much space on the side, so basically I just fill the gap. And also same on the top too. What I do, just put a 2x4 and make sure you put on the middle to hold on the 2 sides. If you see the 2 sides, you have a high. So then what you do? Okay, then you fasten. Fasten. Then go to the top hat. Right, same as here too. So here I made a mistake. I just put 2x4, right? In the middle, then the beam just come down a little bit. So I can close it. So I choose another 2x4, just a little bit thinner. So I put a screw. So lift up the beam. So now I can close it. Right? So here's my 3 doors. 1 door here. 1 door over there. We are going to frame the top tomorrow. So drywall. So one more here. Yeah, that's it. So my next project. Next project is we are going to turn this door into a window.